Hello everyone, today we got a nice weather outside, waiting for the summer. So today I bring you some coleslaw. I got to improvise a little bit with the celery seeds, but I still hope you like it. It was very incredible. And after all the spices I was looking for, the one I needed, that was not in the store after a tons of boxes with spices. So I hope you like it and check it out. We need some mayonnaise, the one you like. Then we need some extra virgin olive oil. For our mayonnaise, yes, we will add now some apple vinegar. Some fresh ground pepper. Now we are gonna add some sugar. Now we are gonna add some salt. Remember, just add just a little bit, and the rest we will check it later on. Now I wanted to buy celery seeds. Look all the spices we got here. When I got to celery seeds, they are empty. So I got to improvise, and now I am using some coriander seeds I had at home, ground coriander seeds. Ideally is this with celery seeds, but I don't have, so we have to improvise sometimes. So we do our mayo, we mix everything properly, and I'll leave you down here. Be back soon. So after we mix everything, I have some mustard here. This one is with fixed mustard. Just mix it, and we are just almost ready to go. So now, after we got our mayo, we just need to incorporate our cabbage and the carrots, and I add it step by step that everything gets properly mixed. It's easier to mix. I had a glove on, so it's easy, just step by step, and that's it. Then I will add some parsley at the end. These are some small amount of chives I had and parsley, and then we're gonna let it rest to settle down all the flavors, and later we're gonna taste it. And look what I found. I found some celery salt, and as I need a little bit of salt, I will add a little bit of celery salt. It's not the celery seeds, but it works as well. And we are mixing, and we are just ready to go. So I hope you like it, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel. It does help us, the creators, and leave your thumb up. So I hope you can enjoy with a delicious burger I did for this, for example, or any other dish you like. So remember to add salads and base to all your dishes. Take care everyone. Cheers.